There's an earthquake warning?
Yeah, second floor.
Is that why? I think everyone's going down.
Should we go to the first floor? What is the 5 point something said? Please remain calm.
Did it say here or somewhere
Yes,
else here?
Tokyo.
I like that we go to the giant like superhero type statue. We find them buying pastries.
Huh? Yeah.
Today's Sunday, day what, like 5 maybe? We've lost track now. We're going to Tokyo Skytree town, visiting another Pokemon center. Ivan, do you think you're gonna spend another $80? No? They have some exclusive stuff here too. What is it, ham?
Ham and cheese.
So we got some bread for breakfast and then we're gonna go up there, Ivan.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that.
I know. Isn't that cool? Up close? We saw it from far away, but
It's gonna give me fucking vertigo.
the Studio Ghibli store is right there.
Yeah, I saw it.
So there's a Tokyo Skytree and there's also a Godzilla head here. And it's right next to me.
Now that the camera's on. Yesterday was the closest I've ever come to shitting my pants.
It's still on.
This wouldn't be the last time that she came close to shitting herself on this trip. It happened a few times.
Snail in water.
Now you have
Is that what we call you in a bath?
whale in water. Whale.
I hope so. I think it's for birds not to come in. Even though it kind of sucks. I don't know if you can hear the high-pitched noise.
Every exit and entrance has this super high-pitched noise, and I think it's to keep away birds, but we're not too sure.
This floor dangerous.
I have never been more tempted to buy 8 different foods at once more in my life.
Man, there's so many smells there. Those are free. We got something to eat, but is it time to get something to eat?
I think so.
What's that say, Ivan?
This is candy.
Damn, I really underestimated Ivan. I didn't know he spoke Japanese. Didn't know it then, but the mood was about to change.
There's an earthquake warning?
Yeah.
What should we do?
I have no idea.
Where's the safest place
I think
to be
it said it to remain on like the ground floor. We're on the second floor.
Is that why? I think everyone's going down. All the kids are at least.
It said to
Alright,
remain
there's
calm.
an earthquake warning. We don't know exactly what that means, but there's a lot of starting to react to it, I guess.
Yeah, there's people coming back in. Should we go to the first floor?
We're pretty low to the ground. We're on like the second floor.
Does that mean no candy?
I mean, again, this is not, no earthquake can keep me from this.
Also,
What is the 5 point something?
That's pretty decent.
that's big.
That's a big
A
earthquake.
magnitude of 5 something, I think is what it said. Please remain calm.
Did it say here or somewhere
Yes,
else here?
Tokyo.
Alright, well let's go down one more floor. That's a big earthquake.
That's a pretty decent earthquake.
It's not people freaking out. Clearly people don't, like maybe they just didn't hear it or they don't care.
Is that a normal thing here, like San Fran or like California?
Earthquakes super often, but they do get them.
We'll keep you posted.
Later that day, I died. Nah, just kidding.
Earthquake update. Nothing's happened. You know what? It might have happened. I think he felt it. He definitely felt something that we didn't.
Got it.
He just got robbed.
You just got pulled.
What's going on here? What if you breathe too heavy and they can't fill it out fast enough?
Look, he's scared. I'm like,
Go, kid, go. There he goes. And he's off.
Later that day we went to Asekuso, and that's going to make for a whole different video. We were there for the Golden Dragon Dance, which was something that we've never seen before, so make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with the rest of Tokyo 2018.